from Delhi cancelled till midnight. Indigo flights from Mumbai cancelled as well till about 6 p.m. So the crisis is only deepening, and this, of course, is impacting. It is going to impact more passengers. Already a lot of them going through a harrowing experience. Let me go across to Isha for more on this. Isha, this is a big update which is going to impact many. Indigo flights from Delhi cancelled till midnight and Indigo flights from Mumbai cancelled till 6 p.m.
Right, Swati, as you were correctly pointing out, the crisis is only deepening as the time passes, and flights from the national capital have been cancelled till about 12 a.m. at midnight. And when we speak of Bombay, which they are cancelled till about 6 p.m. But if we look at metro cities, not just Delhi and Mumbai, we look at Bangalore as well, the flight cancellations exceed easily above 500, and this was just till 10 a.m. In fact, as we speak, the cancellations are only increasing. So we can only imagine the plight of those who are traveling by air right now. And this is a situation. This is something that affects you and me. This is a situation that affects all of us equally. Indigo has been held accountable by the Ministry of Civil Aviation as well, and the DGCA has also taken cognizance. But again, Indigo has stated that they will be able to streamline operations till about 10th of February, which is far away. But again, there are several questions coming to the fore about how air travel will be. Also, another aspect that is coming to the fore, Swati, is that prices have skyrocketed. So an absolute nightmare for those traveling by air right now.
Absolutely. Isha, stay on with us. Let me go across to Shefali, who's joining us from the IGI airport in the national capital. Has this news reached the passengers there on ground? How are they reacting to this? Get us some reactions as well, Shefali, if you can.
Yes, sure. Before doing that, let me tell you that I also had a flight from Delhi to Lucknow at around 9-10 p.m. And me being as a passenger, I have not been told by the airline that the flight has been cancelled. I have not received any kind of mail or any assurance from the airline. No information have been provided by the airline to me so far, apart from what the Delhi airport has issued an advisory saying that all flights have been cancelled at the midnight. I'll speak to more passengers. I'll try and speak to sir. Do you have आपकी flight है अभी कितने बजे की है?
1:10 का नहीं, अब कैंसिल कर दिया।
बताया गया आपको कैंसिल हो गई है?
नहीं, अभी बताया, सुबह से नहीं बताया था।
अभी पता चला आपको कैंसिल हो गई है? किसने बताया?
एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ने।
इंडिगो से कोई रिस्पांस नहीं आ रहा है?
रिस्पांस नहीं। अब इतना बदतमीज है ये लोग कि काउंटर पे हम लोग पूरा भीतर में, अभी 2 घंटा से मैं था काउंटर पे, कोई आदमी भी नहीं है। कम से कम बोलने के लिए आदमी तो होना चाहिए कि हाँ भाई आपका कैंसिल हुआ, या आप दूसरी जगह पे जाओ, या हम आपको फ्लाइट कर डाइवर्ट करेंगे। कोई भी बात बोलने वाला। कुछ पुलिस वाले CISF वाले थे, उन्होंने हल्ला करने लगा तो कुछ पब्लिक ने प्रतिवाद किया कि हाँ भाई ऐसे कैसे होगा। हमें तो अब कितने दूर से हम लोग हैं।
So this is what the passenger is saying.
Right.
They have not been informed by the airline, but the airport authority is the one, those who are giving out information to them.
Right. Absolutely. Shefali, stay on with us. Now, passengers claim it's not just about flights being cancelled. It's all about the treatment that is being meted out to them. No communication at all from Indigo. Let me go across to Nilesh. Nilesh is joining us from the Chhatrapati Shivaji Mumbai International Airport. Tell us about the plight of passengers over there, because Indigo flights from Mumbai stand cancelled till 6 p.m. Nilesh.
Swati, this is what sources are revealing to us, that the Indigo flights for today evening, that is 6 p.m, stands cancelled. All of those flights which were earlier showing as rescheduled or delay has now been called cancelled. We have been reporting since morning at Bombay airport, which happens to be one of the busiest airport of this country, coming from the financial capital. What we are also picking up that nearly 102 flights from Mumbai have been cancelled. 22 alone in Pune airport have also been cancelled. So this is a major update coming in as far as the flight is concerned, that the passengers have been experiencing for the past 3 days. They have been troubling by the late in the delay or the delay in the flights. But however, this is a major update into this entire fiasco, wherein sources have revealed that by today 6 p.m. No flights will be taking off or landing at Mumbai airport as well. A sign of relief, we can say, to a certain extent, because those passengers who had left stranded at the airport with no explanation as to when and where their flight will be taking off or touching down. A certain sort of clarity has been given out, but it is a very small relief as far as the trouble that is concerned, because passengers are still not at their destination, some very important one, because they had to reach out to their family members, some for medical emergency and some for business purposes as well.
Yes,
Indigo
and
in
the
their
passengers,
has
they have to deal with this crisis in absence of any sort of communication from the airline itself. Isha, Shefali and Nilesh, thank you very much for getting us the details. We're also getting visuals from Rajghat, where